Welcome back to Circe Bakes It. Today we're going to be making some strawberry Starburst Jello marshmallows. Now you can use any Jello flavoring that you like. We just happen to go with strawberry Starburst. There are a few things that you're going to need. The first is a digital scale. You're going to need 1/4 cup of cornstarch and 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. You're going to need 2 1-ounce packets of unflavored gelatin and 1/2 cup of cold water. You'll need 1½ cups of sugar. You'll also need 1 cup of corn syrup and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You will need 4 servings of whatever Jello you're using. In this case, it was 76 grams. You're also going to need another 1/2 cup of water. You're going to need an 8x8, 9x9, or a 9x13 pan, parchment paper or aluminum foil, and whatever non-stick cooking spray you wish to use. You will also need a medium to large saucepan. You're going to need a digital thermometer or a candy thermometer, a heat-resistant silicone spatula, and a medium mixing bowl with 1 wire attachment. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to make your gelatin bloom. So you'll take your 2 1-ounce packets of unflavored gelatin and your 1/2 cup of cold water. You're going to add it into your mixing bowl and you're going to stir till there are no more lumps. You're going to set it off onto your mixer. You're going to leave the mixer off and you're going to let this just sit while you cook your mixture. In your medium to large saucepan, you are going to add your sugar, your Jello, your salt, your corn syrup, and your water. You want to stir this.
Bro, look at that texture. Guys, look at this texture.
You're going to keep stirring until it's well combined, and then you're going to put it on your stove top. You're going to cook this at about medium-high for 30 minutes. You're going to check the temperature about 25 minutes in to make sure we reach that 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's reached that 240 degrees, you're going to slowly add it into your gelatin mixture. Start the bowl off going slow so that you don't splatter. As it starts to thicken in about a minute, you're going to bring that up to medium-high. You're going to bring it all the way up to high. You'll notice it starts to get light and fluffy, and when it's done, it's going to have this beautiful gloss like you see here. It's going to also be very fluffy and slightly warm to the touch. You don't want to wait for it to get completely cool because then you will not be able to use it. You're going to take your mixture and add it into your prepared pan. Once it is smooth and even, you're going to put a piece of plastic wrap over the top, making sure that it touches the top, and then you're going to let it rest for anywhere from 12 to 24 hours. The longer, the better. When you're ready the next day, you're going to remove your plastic wrap. You're going to gently pull down the sides of whatever you had. You're going to measure and cut your marshmallow squares however which way you like. I went with 1 inch by 1 inch, and as you can tell in this video, it didn't always come out perfect, but you can do whatever size you want. Once you have all of your pieces cut, you are going to take them and add them to your cornstarch and powdered sugar mixture. Now remember, this is the 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar that you're going to have mixed well together. You're going to roll your marshmallow in, cover both sides. You want to make sure that you knock off any extra and then put it off on whatever container or sheet you're going to put it on. As you can see, these marshmallows are nice and fluffy. They are definitely very creamy and they're delicious.
That is really good.
And as you can hear, Mr. K is pleasantly surprised.